Hi, hey buddy, what's up? It's May 29, 2025, and this is my little Chevy Spark. And that is a stump of a tree that has been in Edwardsburg here for many, many years. And H&C Equipment's taking care of the rest of it. I was gonna cut more firewood off of this, but my chainsaw came in today late. I'd ordered, so there we go. Look at that thing. Gorgeous, big, humongous. A little, little hornets or wasp nest in there. There we go. Look at how big this thing is. It's as big as my car. It's as big as my little car. Look at that thing. And this was the first pivot of the tree. It's as big as my car. Look at that thing. Amazing. Wow. Just amazing. Oh man. This thing was older than old. Old. Check it out. Amazing. Wow. It's a lot of history here. Amazing. I want to get faces here or chainsaws. Yep. Come over here. Look at the stump. This thing's gone. That one was hollow and it was humongous. Went all the way over there to over there. Wow. Check it out. Humongous. May not be as old as I thought it was, but it definitely was a big ball, a lot of damage here. Dang. There we go. Ooh, that's a little bouncy. A little bouncy there. Look at that. Humongous. I mean, it comes right up to my waist. My fat waist. Humongous. Well, God bless America. And they're going to take that one down too, probably at some point. You know, nice people here in Ewardsburg. I don't want to show any faces because we don't want to invade their privacy. We can count rings on this. Just amazing. God bless America. We grow them big here. Nope, that one too. That will be coming down at some point. Thank you very much. And this will be a very different yard here. Woo-wee. It's all open. Thank you very much. I wish to thank the owners of the property for the firewood I did get from them and all that. And I wish everyone well, prosperity here in Edwardsburg, Michigan. Great country called America.